What's up everyone? Naimbag nga aldaw. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I am your Madam Ronabel.
And I'm your mom, Princess Amibara. So today we will be talking about the refrigeration cycle. So as we all know, we have the four major components in refrigeration cycle. So there is a condenser, compressor, evaporator, and expansion valve. So in order to you to understand the refrigeration cycle in the aircon and refrigerator, we will be discussing or providing a demonstration using the actual refrigerator and aircon in order for you to understand or have a more deep learning in the refrigeration cycle.
Hi vlog! So now I'm going to discuss the refrigeration cycle in the air conditioning. So this is the compressor. So the compressor, the cycle begins with the compressor, which takes in a low pressure refrigerant gas from the evaporator. And the compressor compresses this gas, raising its pressure and temperature. This high pressure gas is then sent to the condenser. So the condenser, the high pressure gas release heat to the outside environment. As it loses heat, the refrigerant condenses into high pressure liquid. This process typically enhanced by a fan or the water cooling system that helps dissipate heat. And the expansion valve, the high pressure liquid refrigerant then flows through an expansion valve or capillary tube. And the last one, this one, the evaporator. The evaporator, the cold refrigerant absorbs heat from the interior of the refrigerator or air conditioning space. As it absorbs heat, it evaporates back into the low pressure gas. And this absorption of heat cools down the space inside of the refrigerator or air conditioning unit. So that's the end of our discussion. I hope you like and you feel happy. Thank you.
So let's see where could be the four major components located inside in this refrigeration. So first, this is the compressor. This is the expansion valve, and here in this area where the condenser can be found, and then this.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And this is the evaporator side in this area. So let's start the cycle. So the cycle begins in the compressor, where in the suction line here, the suction line will suck the low pressure, low temperature vapor mixture refrigerant, then flows through the compressor. Inside the compressor, the vapor will be compressed, and as it compresses, the temperature will begin to change. It will flow through the discharge line, then through the since in the
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So from the discharge line, the hot pressure, hot temperature vapor refrigerant will go through to the condenser. The condenser is within this area. The function or the role of condenser is to discharge the heat absorbed by the refrigerant. So inside there, it transfers the heat from the hot refrigerant gas that the refrigeration cycle use to the surrounding environment. It's either air or water. And then as the refrigerant gas releases the heat, it condenses back into a liquid state. Then the liquid state will flow through the condenser, then goes to the expansion valve here. This is the expansion valve. So as the role of the expansion valve, the liquid refrigerant passes through this, and then it reduces the pressure the hot pressure, hot temperature reduces the pressure and change into a low pressure, low temperature liquid. So after the refrigerant passes through the expansion valve and change its state, so it will go through the evaporator, wherein it absorbs heat from the surrounding environment. It's either air, water, or any substances, and transfer it into the refrigerant again. And then, the role of the evaporator is to absorb heat from the surrounding environment. It's either air, water, or any substances, and transfer it into the refrigerant. And as the refrigerant absorbs heat, it evaporates from a liquid state to a gas state, and then the cooling process begins, and then the cycle of the refrigeration will begin again.
In this night of starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.